Now to the campaign for more truth in banking. The organisation that brought you the Big Switch campaign to get power companies to lower their charges is now taking aim at the banks. As Helen Wellings reports, it's about harnessing people power to put the pressure on.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's better in my pocket than theirs.
Home buyers ready to take on the might of the banks. We reveal how much you're actually losing when you don't get those official rate cuts, like engaged couple Alicia Harris and James Ferris, and mum of two, Peggy Lowry.
They're taking more and more each year.
The Reserve Bank slashed official interest rates again last week by 25 basis points, or 0.25%. And yet again, the Big Four banks and other lenders chose not to pass on the full cut.
All we want to do is shine a light and tell people what the cost, the impact to them of their bank not passing it on actually is.
Christopher Zinn of consumer network One Big Switch is tomorrow launching a massive Truth in Banking campaign, recruiting 25,000 home buyers to go to war against lenders, especially the Big Four.
That 5 basis points they're not passing on, that actually ends up having an impact on you.
Over the past 4 years, the gap that's accumulated from the banks not passing on the full amount to borrowers is from 0.97% with the NAB to 1.1% with Westpac. Imagine the savings you could have made.
I was shocked, really.
Put in some of your basic information.
Truth in Banking's website allows you to calculate the interest rate gap with your mortgage. Alicia and James are about to face the truth, how much they've forfeited on their loan of $325,000 with the ANZ.
That's massive. Total interest rate gap, $10,340.
So that's over the 4 years.
Over 1 year of their loan, Alicia and James have forked out another $623 approximately, not getting the full cuts. It's building up to $104 a month. Over the past 4 years, that would amount to a massive $10,347.
We'd love to have that extra money each month to spend on, I don't know, groceries.
You're paying another 1.1% in interest because of cash rate cuts that haven't been passed on.
Peggy Lowry has a Westpac home loan of $162,000. Doing the calculations...
Did you expect it was that high?
Peggy's been forking out another $154 a month, $4,600 over 4 years, by not getting the full interest rate cut.
I think with a tool like this, definitely we'd be in a better position to actually bargain our way to a better home loan rate.
Whether it'll actually pressure the banks into actually giving everybody a great deal, that's a big question mark.
Peter Schwitzer, founder of Schwitzer Financial Planning, says the banks blame interest rates they pay on savings account deposits.
There's a real lot of competition for savers' funds, and banks are paying a lot to get them. So as interest rates come down, they have to cut the rate on deposits, but it's a very competitive environment.
I just want to know if we can get the further 0.5% passed on to us.
So how do James and Alicia fare when they try their luck with their bank?
I've got figures in front of me to say, you know, I've worked it out. I won't just lie down and let them sort of talk their way out of it.
The couple's now got the ammunition and there's hope. The banks promise to call back by tomorrow afternoon.
You can do it all by yourself. You just go to truthinbanking.com, just fill in some details, register, and then you will find out exactly what the cost to you has been.
Christopher Zinn says if you're not satisfied, take action.
Find out what the gap is costing you, ring your bank and ask them what they're going to do about it. And if they're not going to do anything, you should look at moving.
All right, it is on again. So for the banks to pay attention, it needs a lot of people behind it. For information, just head to our website where you will find the details on how to sign up.